Okay, so this will be my evening watch list. The ticker that I'll be watching for tomorrow is ALYI, ACST, MVIS, ACRX, SESN, and DTEA. So 6 tickers for tomorrow. So let me share my screen. So the reason why I'm looking at ALYI is because it has a very nice move today in the afternoon in the afternoon. It was trading flat in the morning, but in the afternoon it was picking up volume. It's also a former runner. One time it went to $7 and then dropped back to $2 within 4 hours. So that is drastic. But yeah, I'm expecting for it to gap up and then morning panic. So yeah, it's an OTC first screen day former runner. So expectations for a gap up and then morning panic. The reason why it is moving, it is because there's a press release on its suspensions of electric vehicles in East Africa. So yeah, that's positive news with positive reactions. So it moved up from, let's see, like almost 100% really. Almost. The second stock that I'll be watching for tomorrow is ACST. It's a 20-cent stock. Reason why, afternoon runner. It's also there's a catalyst of having a new CFO, but it's a first screen day. And let's see, yeah, it's a first screen day. But then we look at the 180 charts. It just it's coming back from like a very pump and dump looking chart or an offering looking chart. So could have more potentials offering in the future. But yeah, it might run through tomorrow, but it could also dip tomorrow, especially if we look at the aftermarket trade on it. It's flat, but could potentially move back to the 29. But it could even fall further and break a VWAP and maybe drop to like 23 and lower. Support like 22, 23. So that's something to look for. MVIS, I'll be watching that because it made an amazing grind from morning to the afternoon. It moved like 30 cents. So the catalyst was something with options. I'm not very familiar with options, so but just from the market's reaction, quite positive. So that is something. The price action is quite positive. Let's see. Oh yeah, the after market hour, it's it held like the $2 area pretty nicely. 190 to $2 area pretty nicely. It has resistance in the 220. Supports at like just from here. Supports like the 180 to 190 area. There's also resistance in the 240, 260, and then in the $350 area. So it has potentials to gap up tomorrow. Could, but we'll see. ACRX is the other stocks. So let's see. The reason I'm watching is because it ran today. It dropped down, but we look at the 180-day chart. It is a nice overextended green days, really. Looking very parabolic. So maybe you have a similar move to this one. but it could morning panic. That is something to look for. Yeah. So it failed to crack. Let's see. So so resistance to look at is like the 210 area. If it could crack that, it might be able to move higher because yeah, it was a nice multi-day breakout from like the 180 chart, 180-day charts. So if it failed to crack 210 tomorrow, you can probably dip, morning panic. If it can, it might like short squeeze, maybe potential. But since it's overextended, potential is morning panic if it's goes sideways. Pre-markets, if it goes sideways pre-market, might dip. But if it break 210, potential short squeeze. That would be something to look for. Um, SESN. Let's see. Why am I looking at this? Oh yes, it's a potential. It's an overextended green day. Again, looking very parabolic. Looking like a parabolic move. It's already up for like 50% from like $1. Let's see. It has a nice multi-day breakout. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And then if we look at the 1-year chart, it, the high on it was pretty close to 154, which is the 52-week high. The high was like 151 aftermarket. So looking for a breakout at 154. It has quite a nice area of support, but they might break due to morning panic if there's a morning panic. Yeah, but it could also do a fake out, break 154 to like 155, 156 to 160, and then flush for a fake out. So yeah, potentials. And then my final one is the after hour runner, DTEA. It has a positive earning news with positive market reactions. So that's something to look for. It's a first screen day with that is a former runner. You look at the 180-day chart, former runner. So um, this this one's running all day, and then it dipped afterward. Again, multi-day. Wow, this is a very nice morning panic. But yeah, it'll be something to look forward to since it's an earning winner. It's a first screen day former runner with positive reaction to earning. Supports at around 110. So supports around here. Resistance in the 150 and above. So yeah, it also closed near the 130. So closed near the high. So it'll be something to watch for tomorrow. Might have momentum tomorrow. Yeah, it's an earning winner. So it'll be something to look forward to. And that'll be all. Have a good night.